How to fix on-screen keyboard problem. So if you want to fix on-screen keyboard problem, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. Once you open your settings, now go for the search which is on the upper right, and you need to search for on-screen keyboard. But if you don't have an option of on-screen keyboard, you just need to go for reset app preferences and tap on reset app preferences and tap on reset. And once you reset your app preferences, your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to go for your Play Store. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you open your Play Store, go for the search and search for Gboard. Here you will have your Gboard. So if you have an update option under your Gboard, simply go for update and update your application. Once you updated your Gboard, now you need to open up your settings, scroll down, go for apps, tap on see all apps, and go for the upper right which has that search and search for Gboard. Once you've searched, go for storage and cache and go for clear cache, and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix on-screen keyboard problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.